What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. I'm here with Alex as always, and we're gonna start working on the 2018 Civic Si. It's my new car. If you haven't seen it, go watch the video before. It's the reveal video. What is the most JDM thing you can do to any car? Alex, what's the most JDM thing?
Mods.
JDM emblems. So we got the red JDM emblems for the front, the back, and the steering wheel. So it's gonna be a small video on how to install it. And you guys are gonna come along. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe. You got supercharged CSX videos back there. You got Civic Si videos, and we got Subaru WRX videos back there. And we got another video of someone. I ain't gonna say that on camera, Alex. Woo! But yeah, all right. So let's get into it, and let's stop messing around. So Alex just wants to break it off. I think there's screws in the back of the grill, and he's just. This is just breaking it off. I'm pretty sure there's screws at the back of this, but Alex is just breaking it off. Regardless, it's coming off. And then we're just gonna replace it with the red JDM ones. Just watch my grill, buddy. It's brand new. There it goes.
And there it goes.
And there's the clips, and if they're stuck in there, we're kind of screwed. So here are the three emblems that we bought. The J's Racing Honda one for the steering wheel, Honda front, Honda rear, or am I right? Yeah, I was right. Honda front, Honda rear. This kind of breaks the heart a little bit buying all these because it's so expensive just for emblems, but at least they won't fade. We got a couple of videos to
Get anxious, you know?
We got videos to film today. Don't fret, CSX videos are always coming, and they're still coming. I got my mounting gear as you saw in the reveal video, and if you didn't, go click it, watch it. I got my mounting gear, so we're ready for tracks and we're ready for everything. So we just peel, there's tape on it.
It's like do yourself for dummies or what?
Yeah, pretty much. So, oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, do it for dummies. Okay, dummy number one. Place in the holes, there's tape, press her down. It's like your cheap Type R, basically. When you can't afford a Type R. But it's hella looking good, I'll give it that much. For the rear, as you see, Alex is getting a flathead, and we're just gonna break this one too. Shout out to Family Honda, Shay at Family Honda, Shamar Walker at Family Honda for selling me a great priced Honda and taking care of me. Thank you so much. Don't worry too much, guys. This all gets covered, so hopefully it doesn't scratch. But if it does, you're not gonna see it. Is this gonna happen or what, bro?
Maybe.
Holy shit! It looks so good in camera. My God.
Yeah.
This guy's slack. I got my polarizer. I got everything. We're ready to go, buddy. Look at the footage. Look at this footage. We're ready to go. So once again, peel it off, stick her in. Pretty simple, ladies and gentlemen.
Well.
Look at that. Holy JDM hell. Check out the rear. Looks hella JDM, bro. Holy, look at that. Isa, oh my God. This is so JDM. Actually makes a big difference. I actually really like it, guys. The red on the actual horn goes a long way in these cars. Then as you can see, I've already changed the shift knob. Kind of 50-50 about it. It makes the throws longer, but it is smoother. But it looks good. And there she is. Oh, we got red HFP floor mats.
Done.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn, Daniel. Look at that.
Yeah. Done. Looks good.
Beautiful. Well done, sir. When you used to buy Kinder Surprise, did you get the stickers in the right place?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
There you go. Done.
Beautiful. All the emblems are done.
Sick.
So some exclusive footage. Let's put in the HFP mats, buddy. There they are. They add a nice touch of red to the car. And here are these guys here. Here's the passenger side. It's just a nice little color pop. And here's the driver's side. What an install. I give that a 1 out of 10. So there's the driver's side. My advice to you guys would be, if you guys have WeatherTech mats, put them in the trunk. Just in case it rains, put them on top of your HFP mat so they don't get soaking and they don't get that dirty and wet. So that's what I'm going to do and hopefully it turns out good. We'll see. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. My car is JDM as hell now. It's my cheap ghetto type car. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Subscribe if you like what you see. Peace.